Hi everyone, I hope you're all well and welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to be looking at level 27 to 28, and the goal for this level is that we have a Git repository in this URL, and the port we are going to be accessing it with or through is this, which is the same one that we use when logging in as different users in the Bandit series. The password for the Git repository user is the same as for our current user, which is Bandit 27, or rather, who is Bandit 27. All that we need to do is clone the repository and find the password for the next level, and Git is the only command that we need to solve this level. This is quite straightforward, so all that we need to do is navigate to a temporary directory, since we cannot clone the repository in a directory in which we do not have any rights, so we use that. And then, just like I showed you in the previous videos, you create a temporary directory using that command and that option. We are there, so now we can clone the repository. So I am just going to copy the URL, but before we can use it, so all we need to do is use git then clone. So git clone to clone a repository in Git, paste the URL, and then before we hit enter, we need to also write the port number that we have been told to access it through, this one. Now we can hit enter. It is asking for this because we are using SSH. Now we need to get the password for Bandit 27, so I am going to retrieve it and then return here. Yes, I now have it, so I'm going to paste it there. This output shows that we have cloned the repository, and we can look at it. There it is. So we navigate to the repository. Now we can have a look. There is only one file, typically a README file, and from it we can access all that we need to do. So to access the content rather, we use cat, and then we get the password. So this is the password, and that is all that we needed to do in this level. I hope this was quite straightforward, because the rest of the levels are going to cover Git, and it is important that you have a little bit of a foundation, or rather an actual foundation, so that you may solve this and the rest of the levels. But other than that, this is how you needed to go about it. So I hope that was valuable to you. I will see you in the next video. So thank you and bye bye.